What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept right here on IO General. In this video, we are going to look at what exactly is JSON in under 1 minute so that we can check out other stuff in the playlist. So JSON in itself is JavaScript object notation, and it is a lightweight text-based data exchange format that has become the standard for application data exchange. Though derived from JavaScript, it's now language independent and widely used for APIs and configuration files. JSON's human readable format makes it more accessible than alternatives like XML while supporting complex data structures including objects, arrays, strings, numbers, booleans, and null values. It works seamlessly with Python and most programming languages. That is it for what exactly JSON is. Thank you for watching this video. If you don't understand anything, do what to ask us in the comment section.